everyone, my name is Prudal and welcome back to my channel. So for this week's video, I'm going to be sharing with you all one of the most requested videos, which is how I got rid of acne. I'm sorry it took me this long to make this video, but I really wanted to make this video as informative as possible because I personally know how it feels like to have acne and I really wanted to help you guys out with this. So I'm going to be quickly starting off this video by sharing with you all a little bit of history about my skin. So ever since I hit puberty, I would always break out. I would always have a couple of pimples on my face, but it never bothered me until about 2 years ago when I started having full-on acne and it reached a point where I wouldn't even want to leave my room. So that is when I went to a dermatologist and she told me that I had hormonal acne and she put me on a couple of pills and everything was back to normal. But later on I did a little bit of research on those pills and I found out that they have a lot of side effects, so I stopped taking those pills and I decided to heal my skin naturally. So from then to now, I must have tried everything, right from those commercial face washes that claim to help you get rid of your acne and pimples to all the natural home remedies. And thus, all the things that I'm going to be sharing with you all in this video are tried and true and they seem to work really well for me. So I hope they work for you as well. So I wanted to throw in a really quick disclaimer. If you're looking to get rid of acne overnight, this is not the video for you because guess what? That is not possible. You need to have a lot of patience and trust me, eventually everything will be fine. And also all the products and the techniques that I'll be mentioning in this video have worked for me, but that necessarily doesn't mean that they will work for you too. We all have different skin types and our skins work differently. Now I'm gonna start off by mentioning a few no-brainers. I'm pretty sure you all know this, but these are just really quick reminders and some things that you should keep in mind. Don't touch your face throughout the day, and if you have to, always wash your hands before touching your face. Make sure to change your pillowcases at least twice a week. Make sure to wipe your mobile screen at least once a day because that is something that's going to be in direct contact with your skin. Do not use the towel that you use for your hair on your face. Wash your makeup brushes at least once a week. Eat healthy and avoid consuming too much of sugar. And never pop your pimples. Now the first thing that I'm going to be sharing with you all is one of the most basic yet one of the most important things. It is to find the right type of cleanser for your skin type and using it every night before you go to bed. You must have probably heard a lot of people stating that acne is caused because of you wearing makeup, when in reality there is absolutely nothing wrong with you wearing makeup, but the real problem arises when you fail to take that makeup off, which clogs your pores and leads to acne. Now in my skincare routine, I showed you all how I use a two-step process where I first use a face wash to remove my makeup and then I use Bioderma to finally cleanse my skin and make sure that there is absolutely no makeup left. Now this point may seem extremely obvious, but I wanted to mention this because a week back I got extremely lazy and careless with my skincare routine. So I completely skipped using Bioderma for like a week and I broke out like crazy, which only shows you how cleansing is so important. Now there are a lot of cleansers available in the market for you to choose from. I personally like to use a water-based cleanser because I have oily skin. Now if you think that you already have a really good cleanser, try this one activity out. So once you're done with removing your makeup and cleansing your skin, go ahead and find yourself a cotton ball and add a little bit of toner or rose water to it and try wiping your skin. And if your cotton ball is completely clean and it doesn't have any sort of dirt or makeup on it, that means that your cleanser is great. That's amazing. But even after all the cleansing and makeup removing, you see a little bit of dirt still left on the cotton ball. That probably means that you need to go ahead and find yourself a new cleanser. Cutting down dairy was a huge game changer for me. So about 6 months ago, I was trying to go vegan and I obviously failed at that. But in those 2 weeks of being vegan, I had the most amazing skin. And after those 2 weeks, when I started consuming all the dairy, the milk, the cheese and all of that, my skin started breaking out like crazy, and that is when I realized my body just didn't do well with dairy. Now if you were to go ahead and research on the foods that cause acne, dairy is on the top of the list. So the main reason why dairy products cause acne is because they have a lot of hormones in them which in turn leads to acne. It is also said that consuming dairy products increases the amount of sebum production, which leads to clogged pores and in turn acne. Now, by stating this, I am not saying to completely stop drinking milk or cheese and butter and all of those things, but you can definitely cut down on those. So I've completely stopped drinking milk. I like to replace it with alternatives like almond milk or soy milk. And as for the cheese and the butter, I like to cut it down. I think this is one thing that is definitely worth giving a shot. You should definitely try doing this for 2 weeks. So the third tip again is related to my skincare routine. It is using a lot of face masks. So in my skincare routine, I already mentioned two of my favorite masks. The first one is by Patanjali. It is a clay mask and it works absolutely amazing on oily skin. And the second one is by Himalaya, and this one works really well with acne prone sensitive skin. Now, apart from these two masks, I also like to make some masks at home using natural products that I already have at home. So the first one is a honey cinnamon mask. All I like to do is I like to take some raw honey and mix it with some cinnamon, and this mask is great for acne scars and acne in general. And the second mask is probably a mask that you must have tried already. It's a very traditional and basic mask. It's the turmeric mask. So all you need is some chickpea flour, some turmeric, a little bit of lemon, and instead of using milk, I like to use some yogurt because I think that milk really clogs my pores, and you want to mix it up and use it like a pack. So there was a time when I had really bad skin, and if I had an event to go to or something special like that, I would do masks every single day, and within a week or a week and a half, my skin would really clear up, especially when I use the clay mask. Now, when I mentioned that in my skincare routine video, a lot of you guys told me that it isn't good to use masks every day. I would agree and disagree with that because my skin isn't sensitive at all, so it works really well for me. But if you have sensitive skin, you can definitely do it for at least once or twice a week, and I'm pretty sure you will see a huge amount of difference, because basically when you use masks, you are deep cleaning your skin and kind of removing all of that gunk from your pores and letting your skin really breathe. Now, the fourth tip is something that I've recently started doing, and it is to use tea tree oil as a spot treatment, and I cannot tell you guys how amazing this product is. Now, I can't really show you the actual product that I use because I completely broke the bottle. So here's a picture of the product that I use. So all I like to do is I like to take a cotton bud or a earbud and dip it in the oil and use it as a spot treatment on the pimples or the acne that I get. So even though I've cleared out my skin, I definitely have like 1 or 2 pimples sometimes, and when I use this at night on my pimples, the next morning they're completely dried out. It's literally like magic, so you definitely have to try it out. But having said that, if you have a lot of acne, you definitely don't want to use it on your whole face because tea tree oil is extremely concentrated. So you want to make sure to do a patch test just in case. And last but certainly not the least, it is to drink a lot of water. Now, I know you've heard this a million times, but hear me out. So we all are different, and so are our bodies. So we all need to consume a different amount of water. So there's this thing called the water calculator, which calculates the amount of water that you need to drink every single day. So that really depends on your age, your gender, your environment, and all of those different things. So I will leave a direct link in the description box below. So you should go ahead and take that quiz. So for me, I need to consume 2.5 liters of water per day. So these are a few things that I like to do. I like to use the app called Waterlogged, which helps me keep a track of how much water I consume throughout the day. I also like to set an alarm every hour which reminds me to drink water. Now, I've been trying out this new technique which is called the rubber band technique. So basically, since I have to drink 2.5 liters of water throughout the day, I like to have 3 rubber bands in my hand, and once I'm done with each bottle, I like to remove the rubber band from one hand to another. So by the end of the day, all 3 of the rubber bands should shift from my left hand to the right hand. So yeah, that was my video. I really do hope you guys enjoyed this video. Also, if you guys have any tips or tricks on how one can get rid of acne, leave a comment down below. Let's help each other out in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Click on the little bell which will notify you every time I post a new video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends if you found it helpful. Follow me on my social medias and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!